Hi everyone, I'm here to show you how you can adjust your spool knob plate on the free spool, how you can have a free spool. And first of all, I have to mention it's only to adjust your free spool. It's not a brake. Please make sure don't use this one as a drag. And this is not the drag by tightening in all the way down. Your drag is gonna be with the star. So make sure to not play too much with this knob. So when you receive your reel and you want to take it for a dealer or whoever they're putting a line on your spool, make sure this knob is loose. Like first you put this one on the free spool, and let me show you. I have to put the dot there, so you can start tightening this very gentle, like clockwise, until you see that your spool is moving just a little fine, not too much. See, amount of tightening in, and your spool is moving, and loose it up. So in this thing, you just turn like backed up one turn and two turn, almost like two turn and a half. Make sure you have the free spool, and then put your line on your reel, because otherwise if this is tightening in, it has a pin inside which it touch your spool, because there's a shaft on the spool, and this end it gets burned. So make sure don't tight too much your adjusting knob. So after, then you put the line on your reel. Now you just turn again your knob very gentle until see that little movement when the knob pin touches your spool shaft. So right there. Then you backed up about like 1/4 of turn, and it's ready to go. So you see this free spool, and it's perfect. Make sure this is not too much loose, because if it's too much loose, you won't get free spool. It's just gonna, the spool shaft will touch your pinion gear, and it will lock as a regular, like in locked, and you won't get free spool. And sometimes you're gonna hear like grinding noise like that, which is normal because you backed up this way too far. So make sure your spool is on a very fine free spool. It's right here. So 1/4, and it's ready to go. So if you have any question, please leave on comment, and I will be more happy to help you guys on the Star Trek. Thank you. Bye.